Annabeth is the strongest warrior in camp.
The one that smokes them all.
She's led our team to 3 straight wins.
The shining star of our generation.
It only took me 2 days to see how special you were.
Amazing, without even trying.
Annabeth.
Astrid.
I could drag you from the ocean. I could pull you from the fire.
So let's go do the impossible.
Then I won't speak. Just let us show you.
But mostly I trust you.
Looks like it's just you and me, huh?
I'm not leaving here without my friend. I'm going to stand by you. You can be a demigod. I just know how to be a demigod. You live in a different world, don't you? Just coast by, taking it all for granted. It's okay.
What if I'm more human than them? I'm the first Viking in who knows how long who wouldn't kill a dragon.
He's better than that. You have something I don't. None of us have. First to ride one with them.
You think you saved me?
You definitely saved me.
I choose between saving you or saving the Wendy's.
What are we gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
I burn it all down.
Astrid!
Don't get involved. Don't do this.
No. Eyes on me! You killed Kale. You probably killed Annabeth too. Great job, hero.
To save a friend, you might sacrifice the world.
That lady's right.
No, because I want to remember what you say right now.
Because I was weak. Because I was a coward.
Yes,
because I
yes.
wouldn't kill a dragon.
I saw it.
You said wouldn't that time?
I see it now. You.
How do you know it's the right choice? Last chance. Make it count. My fatal flaw is pride. That's pride.
That's human.
Astrid, you're our strongest fighter. We need you to lead us.
Honestly, because it's yours.
Well, you've already done that.
She's done it.
It's something crazy.
Are you crazy?
It's okay. I won't.
I'm good.
Be careful! He's alive.
What did I do this time?
I knew you'd never agree.
That's for scaring you.
Is it always gonna be like this?
And that's for everything else.
You know, because I could get used to that.